It is important to build financial education. The purpose of financial education is to give people the tools to make complex decisions more easily and let them develop financial awareness and responsibility. Financial education is one of the pillars of financial inclusion. Still, 2 billion people on our planet do not have access to a bank or a bank account. This is why it's important to develop long-term strategies for the improvement of financial inclusion. Big successes are already achieved with the Dutch Queen Maxima, who puts a lot of effort in the improvement of financial inclusion for children and their parents all over the world. In Europe, the European Banking Federation is active in the field of financial education because well-informed consumers make well-informed decisions. Let me introduce you to Tim and Carol. Tim and Carol are youngsters and really busy with growing and developing their brain and behavior. To understand their behavior, let's take a look inside their brain, and especially at the control center and the so-called pleasure center in the mid-center of their brain. Tim's control center is fully developed at the age of 21 and Carol's at the age of 18, but their pleasure center develops at a much younger age. This is why controlling the pleasure center and taking the right decisions can be extremely difficult for children. This insight is used in the Netherlands to educate children about responsible financial behavior in a fun way. But how do we do this? Well, the EBF has launched several initiatives for financial education to reach all the Tims and Carols. We introduced the European Money Week, in which more than 27 countries participate. The website, europeanmoneyweek.eu, gives you an overview of all the initiatives from banks in Europe. Because financial education isn't implemented within the curriculum, banks feel it as their responsibility to fulfill the role of guest teacher and teach children in their own class about financial education. In the Netherlands, we developed an educational program especially for primary schools and a separate program for secondary schools. With the developed cash quiz, primary school students are taught everything about expenses, money and responsibility by a bank employee in the role as guest teacher. For secondary schools, we introduced Me and Money, a different program where specially developed digital lessons are given. And the results? Almost 5,000 guest lessons were given by bank employees to 145,000 children at primary schools, and almost 400 secondary schools use the digital lessons. Independent research shows a considerable increase of financial awareness and knowledge after the guest lessons. Conclusion: join forces, innovate, find the balance between knowledge, skills, and behavior.